Hello, dear student. Today I am giving my online lecture on paper number 108, Linear Algebra, Unit 2. In this video, uh, the topic linear transformation and its example, and metric representation of a linear transformation and its example. Now, definition of linear transformation. Let V and W be two vector spaces. A function or a map T from V to W is said to be a linear transformation or a linear map from V to W if it is satisfy the following two properties. Transformation of V1 plus V2 is equal to transformation of V1 plus transformation of V2, for V1 V2 belongs to V, and the transformation of alpha V1 is equal to alpha transformation of V1 for a scalar alpha, and V1 belongs to V. This is addition and this is scalar multiplication. Example: let T from R2 to R2 be a given transformation from, this is V and V to W. In the definition, transformation of xy is equal to x plus y and x minus y for every xy belongs to R2. Then we have to show T is linear map. ટી linear map અથવા તો linear transformation બતાવવા માટે આપણે બે પ્રોપર્ટીને પ્રૂવ કરવી પડે. એક T of V1 plus V2 is equal to T of V1 plus T of V2, and second property T of alpha V1 is equal to alpha T of V1. એમના માટે આપણે પહેલા તો V1 અને V2 લઈએ, પછી બંનેનો સમ કરીએ અને ટ્રાન્સફોર્મેશન લગાડીએ. તો આપણે પહેલા V1 ની વેલ્યુ લીધી. સોલ્યુશન V1 is equal to x1 y1 belongs to R2 and V2 is equal to x2 y2 belongs to R2 and scalar alpha belongs to R. Then now V1 plus V2 is equal to x1 plus x2 and y1 plus y2. So we get V1 plus V2. Now we apply transformation T of V1 plus V2, and we have given the definition T of xy is equal to x plus y comma x minus y. So T of x1 plus x2 and y1 plus y2 from the definition x plus y. So x1 plus x2 plus y1 plus y2 and x minus y. So x1 plus x2 minus y1 plus y2. So minus y1 minus y2. This is transformation of V1 plus V2. Now we let transformation of V1 plus V2, કારણ કે આપણે બતાવવું છે કે T of V1 plus V2 is equal to T of V1 plus T of V2. So T of V1 ની વેલ્યુ x1, y1 and V2 ની વેલ્યુ x2, y2. So now we have the definition T of xy is equal to x plus y બંને યામનો સરવાળો અને બંને યામની બાદબાકી. So x1 plus y1 x1 minus y1 plus x2 plus y2 and x2 minus y2. Now simplifying this, x1 plus y1 plus x2 plus y2 comma x1 minus y1 plus x2 minus y2. So simplify કરીએ તો આપણે લખી શકાય કે x1 x2 plus y1 y2 આપને મળ્યો x1 plus x2 plus y1 plus y2, x1 plus x2 plus y1 plus y2 અને આને લખીએ તો x1 plus x2 minus y1 minus y2. So આપણે t of v1 plus v2 ની વેલ્યુ જે મળી હતી અને t of v1 plus t of v2 એની બંનેની વેલ્યુ જે મળી છે આપણે બંને સરખી મળી. So t of v1 plus v2 is equal to t of v1 plus t of v2. So t of v1 plus v2 is equal to t of v1 plus t of v2. Now we see the second property. Now alpha v1 is equal to alpha and v1 ની value x1 comma y1 is equal to alpha x1 comma alpha y1. Now applying the transformation, t of alpha v1 is equal to t of alpha x1 comma alpha y1. Now the definition, t of xy is equal to x plus y and x minus y. So alpha x1 plus alpha y1 comma alpha x1 minus alpha y1 and alpha t of v1 is equal to alpha t of x1 y1. So definition પ્રમાણે લખી શકાય t of xy હોય તો x plus y અને x minus y. So અહીંયા x1 plus y1 comma x1 minus y1. હવે alpha multiply કરીએ તો alpha x1 plus y1 comma alpha x1 minus y1. So alpha x1 plus alpha y1 comma alpha x1 minus alpha y1. આ બંને વેલ્યુ સરખી મળે છે. So લખી શકાય t of alpha v1 is equal to alpha t of v1. આ બંને પ્રોપર્ટી સેટિસ્ફાય થાય છે એટલે લખી શકાય આ બંને પ્રોપર્ટી સેટિસ્ફાય થાય છે. t of v1 plus v2 is equal to t of v1 plus t of v2 for v1 v2 belongs to v and t of alpha v1 is equal to alpha t of v1 for scalar alpha and v1 belongs to v, hence t is linear transformation. Now આપણે હવે બીજો એક્ઝામ્પલ જોઈએ. એમાં આપણને ટ્રાન્સફોર્મેશન આપેલું છે t from r2 to r3 અને ટ્રાન્સફોર્મેશન ઓફ xy ની ડેફિનેશન આપે છે x, y, y+2. આપણને ડેફિનેશન આપી છે ટ્રાન્સફોર્મેશન ની કે x, y, y+2 for every xy belongs to r2 is t a linear map. આપણે સાબિત કરવાનું છે કે ટ્રાન્સફોર્મેશન જે આપણે આપેલું છે એ linear map છે કે નહીં. સોલ્યુશન. Now v1 is equal to x1, y1 belongs to r2 and v2 is equal to x2, y2 belongs to r2 and alpha belongs to r. Then v1 plus v2 is equal to x1 plus x2, y1 plus y2. Now we check the first property, t of v1 plus v2 is equal to t of v1 plus t of v2. So t of v1 plus v2 is equal to t of x1 plus x2 comma y1 plus y2. Now we have the given definition T of xy. So first x1 plus x2, because T of xy is equal to x, comma y ની value y1 plus y2, and third y1 plus y2 plus 2. Definition પ્રમાણે y plus 2, y ની value y1 plus y2 plus 2, and T of v1 plus T of v2 is equal to T of v1 ની value x1, y1 plus T of x2, y2. હવે આ ડેફિનેશન પ્રમાણે આપણે વેલ્યુ પુટ કરીએ તો x1, y1, y1 plus 2 ને પ્લસ T of x2, y2 ની વેલ્યુ બાય ડેફિનેશન પુટ કરીએ આપણે તો x2, y2, y2 plus 2. Now adding both the x1 plus x2, y1 plus y2, y1 plus y2 plus 4. So T of v1 plus v2 is equal to x1 plus x2, y1 plus y2, y1 plus y2 plus 2 છે અહીંયા, અને અહીંયા આપણે મળે છે T of v1 plus T of v2 ની વેલ્યુ x1 plus x2, y1 plus y2, y1 plus y2 plus 4 મળે છે. So both are not equal. So first property satisfy નથી થતી. So we can say that T is not a linear transformation. Now third example, we have given the transformation from R2 to R2, and T of xy is equal to x into y, y for every xy belongs to R2. Now check, T is a linear map. Solution: let v1 and v2 and alpha belongs to R, then v1 plus v2 is equal to the value of v1 is equal to x1, y1, and v2 is equal to x2, y2. Adding both v1 plus v2 is equal to x1 plus x2, y1 plus y2. Now applying the transformation T of v1 plus v2 is equal to, by the definition, put the value of v1 plus v2 T of x1 plus x2, y1 plus y2. Now the definition given T of xy is equal to both the component no multiplication and second component x1 plus x2 into y1 plus y2 and y1 plus y2. So simplifying this, we get x1 y1 plus x1 y2 plus x2 y1 plus x2 y2, y1 plus y2. And now we find T of v1 plus T of v2. So T of v1 is equal to x1, y1, and T of v2 is equal to x2, y2. So by the definition, x1 into y1, y1, x2 into y2, y2. So now adding both x1 y1 plus x2 y2, y1 plus y2, both are not equal, because here we get this value and here we get this, so both are not equal. So T is not a linear transformation. Now the next topic, next theorem: let V and W be two vector spaces and the transformation given V to W, then we have to prove this three result. Transformation of 0 vector is equal to 0 vector, and transformation of minus v1 is equal to minus transformation of v1, and v1 belongs to v. And third property, transformation of v1 minus v2 is equal to transformation of v1 minus transformation of v2 for v1 v2 belongs to v. Now we see the proof. Let two vector v1 v2 belongs to v. First proof, since 0 vector is equal to 0 vector plus 0 vector, કોઈ પણ 0 વેક્ટર હોય એને લખી શકાય. 0 વેક્ટર આપેલો આવે તો આપણે 3 ડાયમેન્શન માં તો એને લખી શકાય કે 0, 0, 0 is equal to 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0. Now we apply the transformation T of 0 vector is equal to T of 0 vector plus 0 vector, but T is linear map, so T of 0 vector plus 0 vector is equal to T of 0 vector plus T of 0 vector. Therefore this is equal to this. T of 0 vector is equal to T of 0 vector plus T of 0 vector. Now adding minus T of 0 vector on both the side. So this is equal to 0 vector and T of 0 vector, and this is cancel out, so we add 0 vector because T of 0 vector belongs to W. So 0 vector is equal to अथवा तो આપણે કહી શકાય theta of W is equal to T of theta V. So 0 vector in W is equal to transformation of 0 vector in V. Hence the proof complete. Now we see the second proof. T of minus V1 is equal to T of minus 1 into vector V1. So T is linear. So because of T is linear map, this is a scalar. We know that T of alpha V is equal to alpha T of V. So minus 1 into T of V1. So minus T of V1. The proof is complete. Now third proof, T of V1 minus V2 is equal to T of V1 plus minus V2. So T is linear map, so T of V1 plus T of minus V2. This is first property of linear transformation, and using this result T of V1 plus minus T of V2, so we get T of V1 minus T of V2. This is complete the proof. Now metric representation of linear transformation. Definition: let two vector V and W, vector space V and W, dimension of vector space V is equal to M and dimension of W is equal to N. So corresponding basis B is equal to V1, V2 up to Vm. This is the basis of V, and dimension of V is equal to M. So vectors are M, number of vectors are M, and dimension of W is equal to N. So basis beta dash is equal to W1, W2 up to W, and N vectors Let the transformation or a linear map T from V to W is a linear map, then transformation of Vi belongs to W and 1 is less than or equal to I less than or equal to M. So T of Vi is equal to summation J is equal to 1 to N alpha I Wj, or all alpha ij are scalar. All alpha ij are scalar. Now see the matrix representation, the system of M equation. The system of M equation, T of V1 is equal to alpha 11 W1 plus alpha 12 W2 plus up to alpha 1n Wn. Second, T of V2 is equal to this, and T of Vm is equal to alpha m1 w1 plus alpha m2 w2 plus up to alpha mn wn. Here M equation, and n by m matrix with the transpose of matrix of the coefficient alpha 11 alpha 12 alpha 1n alpha 21 alpha 22 alpha 2n alpha m1 up to alpha m1 alpha m2 up to alpha mn. The coefficient in the above equation is called the matrix associated to a linear map T with respect to the given basis B and B dash of V and W respectively, and it is denoted by matrix corresponding associated to T with respect to basis B and B dash of the form M MBB dash of T is equal to matrix associated with transformation T with respect to basis B and B dash is equal to alpha 11, alpha 21, alpha 31 up to alpha m1. Means this value in the first row and alpha alpha 1 to alpha 2 to up to alpha m2 in the second row, and the last row alpha 1n alpha 2n and alpha mn. This is matrix representation, matrix associated with transformation T with respect to basis B and B dash. Now see the example. Consider the linear map T R2 to R3, and the definition given T of xy is equal to x comma y comma x minus y. For every xy belongs to R2, find the matrix associated to T with respect to standard basis R2 and R3. Matrix associated with T with respect to standard basis R2 to R3. Now we see the solution. We know the set basis B. Basis for R2, the standard basis 1, 0 and 0, 1 is a standard basis for R2, and the set B dash is the standard basis for R2 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 and 0, 0, 1 is a standard basis for R3. Now the definition of transformation or a linear map t of xy is equal to x comma y comma x minus y. So x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0. So t of xy is equal to x ની value 1, y ની value 0, x minus y, x ની value 1 minus 0. So 1 0 1. So first component we can write 1 into 1 0 0. Second component 0 into 0 1 0 plus 1 into 0 0 1. So we get the first column of the required matrix M PB dash of t is equal to 1 0 1. And similarly t of 0 1 is equal to transformation. We have given the definition, transformation of xy is equal to x comma y comma x minus y. So x ની value 0, y ની value 1, x minus y ની value 0 minus 1 is equal to minus 1 and 1 and 0. So the standard basis, તો આના માટે લખી નાખવાનું પહેલા standard basis 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. 0 માટે 0 ને મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન કરીશું એટલે 0 આવી જશે, 1 ને 1 ની સાથે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરીશું તો 1 આવી જશે, -1 ને -1 સાથે -1 ને +1 સાથે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરીશું એટલે -1 આવી જશે. So the second column of the required matrix 0 1 0 0 1 and -1, which is here, first column and second column. Now જેમ જેમ એક્ઝામ્પલ જોશો એટલે તમને પ્રેક્ટિસ થશે અને તમારે મેટ્રિક્સ ફાઇન્ડ કરતા આવડી જશે તમને. Second example, find the matrix associated to a linear transformation T from R4 to R2 given by the definition of T of x1 x2 x3 up to x4 is equal to x1 plus x3 comma x2 plus x4 for every component belongs to R4 with respect to a standard basis R4 to R3. Standard basis for R4, first component 1 remaining 0, second component 1 remaining 0, third component 1 remaining 0 and last component 1 remaining are 0. And basis for standard basis for R2, first component 1 and second 0 and first component 0 and second 1. Now definition of t of 1 0 0 0 is equal to addition of first and third is equal to first component 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, addition of second and fourth 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. So 1 into 1 comma 0 0 into 0 comma 1. So we get the first column of the required matrix 1 and 0. Similarly 0 comma 1 comma 0 comma 0 is equal to addition of first and third is equal to 0 and addition of second and fourth 1 plus 0 is equal to 1 is equal to 0 into 1 comma 0 plus 1 into 0 comma 1. Second, third, t of 0 comma 0 comma 1 comma 0 is equal to 0 plus 1 and 0 plus 0. Addition of first and third and second component, second and third. First and third is equal to 0 plus 0. Second and fourth 0 plus 1. So we get here 1 comma 0 and 0 comma 1 is equal to 1 into 1 comma 0 plus 0 into 0 comma 1, and here 0 comma 1 is equal to 0 into 1 comma 0 and 1 into 0 comma 1. અહીંયા સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ બેઝિસ છે એટલે ડાયરેક્ટ તમારે સરળતાથી મળી જશે, પણ જો સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ બેઝિસ ન હોય તો કઈ રીતના મેળવવું એ આગળ આવશે. તમારે આગળના એક્ઝામ્પલમાં જોઈશું આપણે. તો આપણને અહીંયા જે કોલમ મળ્યું 0 and 1 મળ્યું, અહીંયા જે કોલમ મળ્યું 1 and 0, અને અહીંયા કોલમ મળી આપણે 0 and 1. So second, third and fourth column 0 1 1 0 and 0 1, which is required matrix. Last and sixth example, let V is equal to R2 and W is equal to R2. બંને વેક્ટર સ્પેસ R2 માં લીધા છે. Consider a linear map T from V to W. The linear map given, the definition T of xy is equal to x plus y. બંને component નો addition and બંને component નો subtraction, x plus y and x minus y for every xy belongs to V. Then find matrix associated to T with respect to the basis B is equal to 0, 2 and 6, 0 of V and B dash. Second basis 1, 0 and 0, 2 of W respectively. Solution. We have given the definition of transformation. T of for first column we take T of 0, 2 is equal to, by definition, x, y is equal to x plus y. બંનેનું એડિશન કરીએ તો 0 plus 2 is equal to 2 and 0 minus 2 is equal to minus 2. So and second basis first component 1, 0. So 2 into 1, 0, 2 of 1, 0 plus minus 2. Minus 2 ને લખી શકાય minus 1 into 0, 2. આનું સિમ્પ્લિફિકેશન કરીએ તો 2, 0 plus 0, minus 2. આ બંનેનું એડિશન કરીએ તો 2 plus 0 is equal to 2 and 0 minus 2 is equal to minus 2. આપને આ મળી જાય. So અહીંયા આપને જે ફર્સ્ટ કોલમ મળે છે 2 and minus 1 મળે છે. 2 and minus 1 first column. Similarly, T of 6, 0 is equal to, by definition, x plus y, 6 plus 0 and x minus y, 6 minus 0 is equal to 6, 6 is equal to, in the basics, first component 1, 0 and second 0, 2. So 6 into 1 is equal to 6, means કે અહીંયા અમારા first component માં 6, 0 plus 3 into 0, 0 and 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So 6, 0 plus 0, 6 is equal to 6, 6. So we get the second column 6, 3. Hence matrix associated to T with the base is B and B dash is equal to first column 2 minus 1 and second column 6 and 3. Thank you.